Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix "Sorry, you have been blocked" Cloudflare. If you're seeing a Cloudflare blocked message, one possible fix is to clear the cached content for your site in Cloudflare and also clear your browser's stored browsing data. This can help remove outdated files or settings that may be contributing to the issue. We'll walk through that process carefully. Start by opening your Cloudflare account homepage and signing in if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, look through your listed websites and select the affected domain. Click on the domain to open its management area. After the domain loads, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Caching. This section controls how saved versions of your site are delivered, and it's a good place to start when troubleshooting display or access issues. Inside the caching area, click on Configuration to open the Cache Settings page. On this page, find the option labeled Purge Everything. Click it once to begin clearing Cloudflare's cached content for the site. A confirmation prompt should appear, and you'll click Purge Everything again to confirm the action. This tells Cloudflare to remove all cached files so fresh versions can be served the next time the site is accessed. Keep in mind that this may take a little time to fully apply, so if you don't see instant results, that's normal. Next, in a separate step, go to your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the browser menu. From there, choose the option to delete browsing data. This is useful because your browser may still be holding onto older cached files or cookies even after Cloudflare's cache has been cleared. When the browsing data window opens, set the time range to all time. That ensures the browser removes everything relevant instead of only recent data. Then click Delete to complete the process. Depending on your browser, this may take a few seconds. Once both actions are done, try reopening the site. For best results, you may want to refresh the page or reopen the browser after clearing the data. This process can help if the blocked message is being triggered by stale cache or stored session information. That's it. You've now cleared the Cloudflare cache for the site and removed browser browsing data, which can be an effective first step when dealing with the "Sorry, you have been blocked" message.